was not allowing us to escape. The most requested guest in my channel. Yay! Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm attending my cousin's wedding. I'm gonna be wearing traditional dress after so long. I'm so excited to show it to you guys. So as you can see, I've already done my makeup. Now I'm just gonna do my hair. Then I'm gonna change and we're good to go. And I just wanted to talk to y'all while I'm doing my hair. So I'm going for a straight hair look, as you know, I really love straight hair and I kind of have wavy hair naturally, so I love straight hair. While my sister and I are total opposites. My sister has naturally straight hair and I really like it. Well, she always wants to curl her hair. Now I'm here wanting to straighten my hair. So now I'm gonna section my hair so it's gonna be easier for me to straighten it. Shopping for traditional wears is pretty tough. So for my today's outfit that you'll get to see after a few minutes was a lot of work. And it literally took so long to find the perfect dress, but it's really gorgeous. So for the shopping, I went with my friend and my sister Tracy, and we went to so many shops and tried on so many dresses. So in one of the shops that we went, literally the shopkeeper was not allowing us to escape. He was so persistent on us to buy his dress that he was not letting us go. We said something like, oh, our parents are like right around the corner, we'll like call them and then we'll get it. And we ran away. So lehengas nowadays are so expensive just to wear for a couple of ceremonies. Lehenga that I got is so worth it. The second I saw it, I fell in love with it and I was like, this is the one that I'm gonna buy. I also had clicked a short footage while I was shopping for lehenga. I'll insert it right now. I'm just so excited. So now I'm going to quickly complete this so you guys can look at my full look. I don't know how much I'm going to be able to vlog, but I'll try my best. Take you guys along with me. There are going to be so many relatives of ours there too. So in today's video, you guys are finally going to be able to meet my sister Tracy. So excited to introduce her to you guys. She's the one always behind the scenes, helping me edit my videos and put it up. She helps me with everything, and after you guys, she's the one who made this channel possible. So yeah, I'm really excited for you guys to meet her. And Tracy is like the most requested guest in my channel. Been getting a lot of DMs asking me when Tracy is gonna come on my channel. So in this video, she's finally gonna make an appearance. So yeah, I'm running really late. I think I'm gonna run now. I'm gonna go and wear some accessories and then I'm gonna change. I'll see you guys on the way. Bye. So this was on the way to the venue. Finally, we reached, and as you guys guessed it, I started vlogging right away. I can't tell you guys the amount of mental strength it took me to film the vlog in front of relatives with a gorilla tripod. But I did it! Yay! party venue was so beautiful. I couldn't wait to click pictures everywhere. I'm gonna walk over and I'm gonna find my mom and dad. Well, walking on heels while wearing lehenga was a challenge in itself, and the uneven pathway was not helping at all. Yay! So super excited. Like doing middle partition after so long. I'm not so sure. Does it look better? Should I do like a side partition? Let's look at Tracy. Oh my god. Her curls are so perfect. Can you give us a turn? Oh my god. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful angel. Let's take a look at Tracy today. Oh my god, so pretty. Here I was trying to vlog, but there were just too many people nearby. So I was just filming while thinking how to escape the situation. Yay, I'm just so happy and excited. Finally, totally free. The weather stays good. Fighting input now? Yeah, it's better now. Yes, we're gonna glasses. The bride. Now it's the snacks time. I took Fanta, some pakoda. Tracy did as well. Daddy is waiting for soda.
एउटा मात्र एउटा प्लेन ल्याइदिनुहोस् न है
So I'm gonna enjoy snacks for now. Bye. Tracy, say something. What to say? I'm giving up on Bye, you. I've like had a lot of snacks. Like so full already. But still, there's more space for some more drinks. खाने अर्को पनि छ
One eternity later.
The lighting is pretty good. We're back. So it's like finally we have already had lunch and everything. So now we are ready to go on Janti. Janti one say. Now we are just waiting with my sister. I kind of didn't like the middle part, so I tried the side. How does the middle driver? No. It looks good though. This curly hair so of course it does. Let her know. Okay, now I'm gonna see you guys when we're on the car. I'll show you guys how it goes. I don't know about others, but I'm really happy. My sister, she doesn't include me in her selfies. I'm here myself all alone talking to you guys. Let me show you what's going on right now. It's my mom, dad right over there. There's the bride and some other relatives. I'm here sitting, waiting for the ritual to be over so we can go on Janti, have a lot of fun. And this is the toilet. Washroom is a must. If you're wondering what is this is Tracy's stall. She's going to the washroom. So yay! I'm so happy. I'm enjoying fully. How about you, babe? We were teasing our brother a while ago. Yeah, it's kind of hot. I mean, it was kind of hot. Now it's kind of getting cold. I hope this completes first so that we can take some rest. Today we woke up early in the morning and it took us about like half an hour to an hour to get ready, get everything done. So yeah, I'm very tired. Actually, recording is also a workout. Look at this. I'm gonna get this over here, like this. Kind of get this.
Bruh.
I guess right now they are like giving presents to the bride as a form of love, gesture of love. Wanna go watch? That's me. God. Okay, we're gonna go and watch. Bye. The bride. Versus the groom.
A few moments later.
Already been waiting for an hour or two and I'm really, really tired. Yeah, everyone's very, very tired. I don't know when this is gonna end and we can just go home.
6.5 hours later.
The ceremony is finally gonna be over and we're gonna head home. So happy. See you guys on the way. Bye. Finally, the ceremony was over and the newly married couple were escorted to the car. On the way back, I was so tired that I could not vlog anymore. So, this is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!